Hello guys, I'm Mandul Johnson and you're welcome to Honest Conversations with Music and Tea once again. Today I'll just be talking briefly about making money in Nigeria. Okay, as an artist in Nigeria, do you get money from streams and blah blah blah? Nope, nope, nope. We don't get money from streams. The Nigerian system does not promote musicians making money, especially from streaming services. We pay DistroKid, we pay CD Baby, we pay 1 RPM, and for you to get $1, it has to be lots and lots of streams. So imagine an upcoming artist expecting to make money from streaming services. I think that's going to be pretty difficult. You can promote your songs using paid advertisements and stuff like that, running Facebook ads, and you can do promotions. Eventually that will lead you somewhere. But then how do you eventually make money? I think it's just going to be gradual. Don't expect to start making money as soon as you release your first album, and especially in this part of the world, as a producer, I think I've seen a lot of things. Because imagine I'm telling somebody to pay me 50k for a production, and the person is thinking, okay, I'm in Jos, and I tell somebody, I'll charge you 50k for a song, and they're complaining. This is, you can imagine somebody say 50k is much for a song, and you want me to mix, you want me to master, I hire session musicians for it. So let's say the person pays me 50k, then that's for one track. The person wants to do an album of, let's say, 8-10 tracks. So imagine the cost. Then the person goes on to pay DistroKid, and you're paying every year $20 every year, even if you don't upload or whatever streaming platform. But some are one-time payments, so you pay, and then you ask the person to pay for promotion again. And this is someone who just started the music like a business. I think that's going to be stressful, but I would encourage you to keep it up, and it's a gradual process. Don't give up. Cheers guys, and have a wonderful day. I remain Mandul Johnson. Remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't. Have a great day.